Hello my butterflies, welcome back to my channel. This is Nilanjana here and summer is officially here right now. And I do not like summer at all because Kolkata's heat and humidity literally kills my skin. So during this time of the year, my skin tends to be a lot more oily than usual, and if you face same problems like me, then this video is gonna be a total lifesaver for you. You're welcome. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just jump into the video. So to get rid of oily skin, we have to do some things internally and some things externally. So first, let's talk about what causes oily skin and what we can do internally to prevent it forever. To be honest, the first and the main cause of oily skin is diet. So if we eat a lot of greasy and oily food, then our skin tends to be a lot more oily, and our diet can cause hormonal imbalance as well, which results into oily skin. And if you have major hormonal imbalances, you are more prone to acne, pimples and a lot of skin issues. So to avoid that, you have to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every single day. Try to avoid greasy and sugary foods as much as you can. You should add a good amount of green veggies and seasonal fruits to your diet. A sound sleep is also important to avoid hormonal imbalances. So make sure that you get at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep every single night. So these are the lifestyle changes that you should make to have a healthy looking skin. So now let's talk about the external things that you should do as well. So to make the DIY cleanser, first of all I am taking gram flour or besan, and then I am taking a little bit of water and then mixing it very well. So the consistency of this cleanser should be a bit more liquidy, a bit more liquidy than the pack. We always use gram flour pack, mask and a lot of things like that, but this should be a bit more liquidy than those masks. And then I'm gonna apply it all over my skin, and I'm gonna massage my skin really well for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will wash it off. Guys, I always cleanse my skin at least for 3 times a day, and you should always cleanse your skin for 2 to 3 times a day with a very gentle cleanser. And gram flour works as a really good cleanser, yet very gentle. It removes all your oil, all the excess oil of your skin, all the dirt, all the dead skin cells, but it doesn't strips out all the essential and natural oils of your skin, which is really good. It doesn't make my skin dry or anything, but it actually cleanses my oil and dirt and everything. So I really like this cleanser. So now I have washed my skin and I'm patting it dry with a dry tissue paper. You should always pat your skin dry, do not rub it ever. So the next step is toning. So for toning, we are going to use a cucumber and we are going to make a paste out of it, and we are going to strain the juice, and then we are going to use the juice as our toner. It is going to work wonderfully as a toner because cucumber is a natural astringent which controls your sweat, makes your skin oil free, and it is amazing as a toner, guys. Just try it once and you'll thank me later. So the cucumber juice actually maintains the pH balance of the skin, and it closes all the pores of our skin. So this is a really important step to avoid the excess oil of our skin. So I always take a little bit on a cotton pad and I just cleanse my skin with the cotton pad, and then I take a little bit on my fingers and I just do some movements on my face. Like I pat my skin, I tap gently my skin so the blood flow increases on my skin, and it works wonderfully, guys, and it's so relaxing. Like in the summertime, these steps are so relaxing, guys. You should do it at least once to believe me. So yeah, I'm just tapping my skin and patting it slightly so that my skin can absorb all the cucumber juice and it can do its magic. So other than cucumber juice, you can also use watermelon as your toner. You can definitely make watermelon juice, but I am a very lazy person. So I took a piece of watermelon and it was in the freeze, so it was really cold and it was so amazing to rub it on my face, and I'm just rubbing it on my face like so, and this is also gonna work amazingly as a toner, so I really like it as well. So the next step is closing all your open pores. So to close all your open pores, you just have to rub one ice cube all over your face. This is gonna make sure that all your pores are closed and no dirt, no pollution, nothing can enter your skin and give you breakouts or pimples or anything. So I really swear by this step, guys. I always do this step, and this is really relaxing and refreshing as well. So I really love to do this step as well. So the next step is moisturizing, and I know if you have an oily skin type, then you always hesitate to moisturize your skin, but I'm telling you that you should always moisturize your skin, but do not use an oil based moisturizer or anything. You should always use a water based moisturizer. So I love to use gel based creams, or the gel creams, or normal gels. There are a lot of gels available in the market, like aloe vera gel or cucumber gel, lemon gel, and a lot of gels. So I really like the Kesar Chandan aloe vera gel from Patanjali, but I am running out of it, so I'm gonna use the normal version, like the green aloe vera gel thingy. It is also really good, but if you have really oily skin, then I will recommend you guys to use the Kesar Chandan variant, because that is non-sticky and that is gonna make your skin matte for a longer period of time. So the next step is mattifying face pack. So you should always apply a face pack at least once in a week. So to make this face pack, I'm using Multani Mitti chunks, small chunks, and I am making the paste by adding some water, and then I'm just mixing it, and after the paste is made, then I'm applying it all over my face, and I will wait till it dry. This is gonna mattify your face really nicely. This is gonna cleanse all your pores and everything. This is really good, guys. This mask works amazingly for oily skin types. If you have dry skin, then please do not do this step. Multani Mitti is really drying for dry skin types, but I do have a very oily skin, so I always do this step. I always apply it at least once in a week. Sorry, you can definitely apply it every alternative days, but do not apply it daily. Then maybe it will dry up your skin a lot more, so do not apply it daily, but you can definitely apply it every alternative day. That will work fine as well. And whenever you feel that you have excess oil on your skin and you have makeup on your skin, then just take a dry tissue or you can grab a kitchen napkin from your kitchen, like the paper towels, and you just dab it on your skin whenever you feel like you're oily. Dab it in this way. You do not have to rub your skin, you just dab it, and it will absorb all the oil and all the sweat from your face. So this is a hack, guys. You can do this whenever you feel like your skin is being excessively oily. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I think this video helped at least some of you guys, and if it helped you, then please give it a big thumbs up, because that makes me so happy. And if you have any kind of video request, and if you want to talk to me, then please comment below. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe, because I make a lot of videos. I make DIY videos, beauty videos, makeup videos, vlogs, and a lot of things. So yeah, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy.